Hi everyone, Audrey here with Collectiv. Welcome to our election analysis dashboard, US Senate edition. We created this dashboard through Microsoft Power BI, and there will be a link in the comments for you all to play around with this. Today we'll be showing you how to utilize this tool to look at segments of US Senate election history. If we wanted to look at the current senators by state, we can see their name, picture, years in office, and their party. We can check out different states by going to the buttons in the left-hand corner, and we can see Missouri's current senators. Say we want to check out another state, we can look at Rhode Island's current senators, and another state, we can look at Wisconsin's current senators. Another feature we can utilize on this dashboard is looking at a specific state and then selecting a year that we want to see the candidates, their party, and how many people voted for each candidate, which we can see up here. We can also go in and look at historic data of parties and see that on the scatter plot over here in the right-hand corner. These are just a few features to utilize on this dashboard to look at different segments of US Senate election history. Thank you for watching, and as always, follow Collectiv on LinkedIn and YouTube for more content.